Alrighty, everyone. It is Wednesday, July 30th, 9:37 p.m. Thinking. Do I do greedy? I've done greedy before, and I worked in greedy last year. In my algorithms class, intervals, I don't exactly know what they mean by this. I don't know if this is like the mathematical interval or what, but I'm actually kind of curious to check this out. Let's see what they mean. So somehow an interval is going to be using heaping or whatnot, so we'll see. So, insert interval. Sorry. You're given an array of non-overlapping intervals. The array is called intervals, where interval I equals start and end. Okay, so an actual interval. Okay, cool. Where intervals I start and end represents the start and the end of the ith interval. And the intervals is sorted in ascending order by start. You're also given interval, new interval, start, end. That represents the start and end of another interval. Okay. Oh my god! Holy! Can't stop yawning. I'm not gonna be able to focus if I'm yawning every. Oh, I just fell. Not gonna be able to focus if I'm yawning every 5 seconds. Off the top of my head, I see 4 options or something. Well, hold on, let me see. So we're gonna check. We're gonna check interval start to new interval start. Realistically, we should do binary search here. think here. Okay. So this is the easiest one to check for. We know this. There's an auto combine. Okay. So I'm thinking of doing a binary search approach. You know, binary search is a really easy algorithm, but I always fuck it up. Or maybe not binary search. Because we do want to plant it. Okay, so no binary search, just linear. Alright, well, let's do linear. I guess that will reduce the complexity. I feel like you could do this in binary, though. I think it would be just a little bit convoluted. This kind of makes 3. Then I'm going to just say... Okay. For code eligibility, I'm gonna just break these down. I just kind of like it this way. I'm gonna say if this is the case, we're just gonna keep pushing forward. I'm just say just push forward. You know, we might even need to not even need to do an if statement here. This we do need to do an if statement. This one is going to be important. So this is going to be a combine. And we want to break here. And then this right here means we need to go backwards. I'm gonna say plant backwards. And then we break. And then we just return. Do we even return? No, we do return. Okay. And then we're just gonna return to intervals. I don't think this is going to take in the edge case of we'll see. I don't think this is going to take in the edge case. I think it's going to fail if it's the last item. I think it's going to fail it. This I actually don't need. I'm going to just comment out for now because I don't really need it. And then I'll probably do like that. Or actually, I'll do this. I'll do one better. Do like that. So we're going to combine this. I'm going to say intervals of index is equal to start and end. And then we break. And then if we're going to plant it, I'm going to say that intervals equals intervals from to index. Okay, I'm gonna plus this with the new interval, and then I'm gonna plus this with intervals of index onwards. I don't think this works. I think this is gonna break. Infinite loop is already a bad look. But why is there an infinite loop? This is a for loop. Oh, oops, I got that flipped. Wait, am I tripping? I think I'm tripping. I'm misunderstanding how to actually solve this problem. Oh my goodness. I'm messing up math here. Try something like that. No, sorry. New start. Make sure new start's less than and. Let's try that. Okay, so this still fails, just for different reasons. It combines here. Why? Why do you combine here? Oh, you expect multiple combinations. Brother, oh my days. Crap. I should have paid attention to the test ones. I'm so tired. Oh, okay. So this is kind of like where it's gonna keep it stay. Because I thought this was gonna at first was gonna be a pretty simple problem, but the combinations that's interesting. Oh, days. I'm not gonna lie, if it gets too late, I might just copy paste and go to bed because I am tired. I know it's such a cop out, but hey, man, we gotta do what we gotta do. I'm thinking about doing position points based off of where we at. This is such a trash way of going about this. um, mediocrity is garbage code. Whatever. We're just gonna keep it pushing. Crap. Fuck. So many ways this can go. Guess we have the positions. Alright, well, I'm about to just write every single if case or whatever. This is absolute garbage. This means we just create a new. So I'm going to say create a new. Okay. Else we'll combine here. So, hold on. So, what I'm thinking is I'm just going to return... I don't think this will work either. Okay. So it's saying off rip. The very beginning? Oh. Yeah, that's why. I think. We'll see. I might need to do equals. Equals. Yep. If it's an equals, it has to be an embed. Like, there's no other choice of the matter. Why is that the case? I feel like that's wrong. I think my math is not mathing. Yeah, why is that the case? Whoops. Syntax. Okay. I think this will fail for the edge case of if it's a flat. Yeah. Yep. This fails if there's a none type in there. Boom. Honestly, we could just do -1, realistically. I think. Does that work? I think that works. I'm trying to, like, headcanon this. I feel like it's going to have an edge case for the start. What? Really? Oh, I gotta wrap it in that. Beautiful wrapping. I can't forget it. Can't forget it. Okay, edge casing. Here we go. Here we go. That's what I expected. Oh. Interesting. That should not be the case. That is in between two. I think we should do equals and equals for the embedding. let's just do a regular submit here. Okay, let's see if this catches the embedding for that. What? That's supposed to catch that. I thought that this system would catch that. Oh, hold up. Sorry. Let's try that again. I don't think that's going to change anything. Okay. Did not. Expected. As expected. So if the new start, which is 0, is less than the start, and the start position is equal to, then we need to kind of abort. So then I'm going to print out new start, and then start position. And I just want to see what's going on here. What's going on here? What's going on here? What's going on here? Why are we breaking? Why are we breaking? I mean, in theory, this should be. Am I missing something? I mean, okay, what am I missing? Why is start post? Oh my. How did that not give me any sort of errors beforehand? What? 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 Genuinely, how the hell did I not get any errors beforehand? What? Okay. -1. I mean, I don't think that's a -1 per se. I think that's kind of a, you know. I think that's a 0. If new end, which is 0, is I think we're gonna flip this as less than end. Is this gonna break anything? I mean, it does. I don't know, man. I'm getting tired. It's 10:25. It's about my bedtime. I'm running into a just mathematical hell right now. I'm not truly getting it. I'm just kind of fine-tuning this over and over and over, which is not really what you want to do, per se. Okay, I give up. I see what I can do to actually get that, but that's just too much work, and I'm doing it wrong. Oh, here's binary search. Oh, event still. Greedy. Okay, we're gonna just copy and paste it. We're gonna throw it in there. I'm tired, man. My solution is not correct, obviously. I think given more time, I could probably fine tune it to be correct, but even still, that's just like, that's not how you code. You don't just keep fine tuning it over and over, adding in all these extra if cases and whatnot, and that's just no, that's not proper. That's not how you code. So no, I need to fix that. I need to change that. I'm just gonna copy paste his solution because I give up a little bit. I give up a little bit. Oh, I'm silly. Okay, let's do that properly this time. I copied his function. I'm so tired. I can't even copy right now. All right, I'm gonna run that and then I'm gonna read it. Okay, so we get the length, the size of the intervals, and then we get the current index, and then we get a result array. So, okay, while the current is less than n, and the intervals of, we're looking for the end, and it's less than the start. While the end is less than the start, we're gonna append those. Okay, because those aren't gonna get touched. That makes sense. Oh, why did I do that? That's honestly so much simpler. Those aren't gonna be touched, so that's gonna get added. Okay. Okay, now. While the interval of I is greater than or equal to the end, we're gonna say that the new interval is equal to the min, and that is equal to the max, and after that we're gonna append the new interval. And then we're gonna keep going and chugging along to add at the end. Dude, that's super smart, super simple. Honestly, I should have just done that the whole time. Whatever, beggars can't be choosers, so that's how you do it. Not by me, though. Maybe tomorrow's code will be able to actually do that problem. That is actually, after looking at the answer, that is a pretty easy problem. I just messed that up bad. But, you know, that's how it goes. Anywho's, sorry about that disappointing video, but, you know, thank you for watching, and I'll see y'all tomorrow.